Alright, so in this video we're just going to cover the issue whereby you are unable to upload large files in Laravel Livewire. For example, I have this cover management system in my admin panel. So if I try to upload a photo, for example, in here I have this file which is Laravel Livewire logo, and it's like 58 kilobytes. So if I try to upload this photo, it's going to work correctly because it's less, like 58 kilobytes. So let's update this one, and it is uploaded here. So what if I try to update this photo with a larger file? For example, let me go to my, this one. This photo is like 2.1 megabytes, as you can see here. So if I try to upload this photo, it's going to reject. As you can see, it's not uploading. Why? Because the photo is larger than the limit which is set in the php.ini. So we're going to have to update that file. And also if I try to pick another file which is also large, you see this large, I downloaded this file from the internet which is like 15 megabytes, so it's very big. Like if I try to upload this one too, it's not going to work. You see, it's not working. But if I try to change it with something else, yes, with this one which is 41 kilobytes, it's going to definitely work because it's like a small file. You see, it's working there. So I can now update this one. Alright, so how do we fix this? To fix that, we're going to have to go to our Visual Studio. In here, in the web.route, let's just create a route real quick. Create a callback function here. And then so when it comes in here, we want to output PHP info. Yes. So now, let's copy this URL. So we can go to our page, and then let's just paste this in our URL. So if we go like that, okay, so now we have this PHP initialization file. So if you go down here, you'll notice that the upload max file size here is set to 2 MB, which is 2M, represented as 2M, which is megabytes. So this limits the file upload. And also if you can see the post in here, post max file size is like 8 megabytes. So you're gonna have to edit these files, and like you can try to do the validation of Laravel for example, in here, you see I have the validation you set to like 20 or to a large file here, but it's still not uploading. So only if I change the correct file, it is going to work that time. So in here, we're gonna have to get the path. Yes, in here, this configuration file, the php.ini path. So you're gonna have to copy this path, and then if you're using Windows, you can go to the search bar and paste this URL, or if you're on Mac, just go to Finder, and then in here, go to Go, then go to Finder file, like paste this path in here, and then click Go, and then you're gonna be taken to this folder. In here, I'm using PHP 8.1, so just open this folder, and then you'll be taken to the file. So in here, you see we have this upload max file size, and we also have this post max file size. So we have to edit these from, let's say, 8 to 20 megabytes, and also upload to 20 megabytes. Alright, so now we have to do one thing. In here, we have to restart your PHP, Ctrl+C, and also PHP artisan serve. So if we go back now and try to refresh this page whereby the one we are putting our PHP info, if you try to scroll down now, you notice that, where is that? You see here it's now 20 megabytes, and also the post is, can't find that, yes, 20 megabytes. So now you'll be able to upload larger files in your Laravel application. So if I go back in here and then let me just try to refresh this page. If I try to choose a file, let me choose this large file here, which is 15 megabytes. All right, so let's click upload. Now you see that it is now working. Voila, you are now able to upload large files in Laravel. So let's click update, and then it's going to take a while, a few seconds, because it's a large file, and voila, the photo has been updated like that. So that's how you fix this in your Laravel application. What will not work is you trying to update this limit when the php.ini is less than, it will always override everything if you don't update the correct php.ini file. Alright, so that's it for it, guys. Thank you.